Mayang gabi bay. Actually, mayang buntag bay because it's around 4 a.m. today. It's 4 a.m. Yeah. So I just got nakuha lang ako ning kuan kaning Lark M2, which is a very cool transmitter. Yeah, it's so tiny. Gamay kisudanan. Kani siya, I got the combo. The one with the transmitter for the camera and the receiver for the camera, and also katong nasa siya pakapin nga receiver sa phone, USB-C ug katong lightning. Here it is. Actually, I'm using it right now, so you can't see it. So before anything else, I'm not sponsored or any way. I'm not sponsored or any way with these stuffs. But these products. And also, I don't prepare my videos, so I made a mistake earlier because I didn't prepare. I'm just here, just winging it. Yeah, so I just got this, and it's so tiny. Ganahan ko niya kay kanang hindi siya pare sa Rode wireless go or sa DJI mic, which are very big, and kani siya gamay. Like for example, if I put it in my shirt, dili mo bitay akong shirt. Kung katong Rode, I have the Rode here. Ibutan ako shirt mo bitay. Mura akong yat ana or something. Dako kay siya ba? Kaya siya subtle, gamay ra kay siya. So di sa siya mabitay sa akong shirt. And yeah. And the thing is, ang magnet niya is so strong. Like I can put it kaning kalo, baga man kaning kalo nga ri. Ako ni siyang iana ha. Pilit siya sa kalo. Oh. Tig-on kay na siya diha. So yeah, that's what I like about it, kasi gaan kay siya. And I can just put it there. I can just put it kanang microphone, kanang usahay na yung mga events gina-cover. I can just put it on a microphone, and it's very good. It's just so tiny. And also kanang ang Rode ug ang DJI, they put their branding sa ilang transmitters, and I don't like it. Like, let me just give me a second. So what I did with mine is that, like, makita man niud ako kay name nga Rode. So ako agi takuban akong sticker ako So yeah, thing is, I don't like branding. It's like shouting marketing, and especially I'm shooting weddings, so ganahan ko matago siya, ganahan ko subtle ra siya. So with this one, it's subtle. I can just put it in a pocket, put a magnet, na siya mga accessories. You can look other YouTube videos about it, but first impression ako niya is it's good, it's light, audio quality is good, it's really so light, so tiny, you can use it. It's really good siya. And nakanindot is they provide us with a sticker to hide the branding. So kung inani, pwede na siya kanang black man siya, nasa siya white na sticker, na siya mga smiley, so you can use that. But for this case, it's really good because they provide it. And muna siya, dili siya nag-shout of kwan. So imbutang ng microphone, imbutang mo ka ng talent or recording ka, it's really so subtle. I love it. Only thing is that yeah, ang ihang buttons here is yellow, and makita nga nimong light nga ri. Yeah, you can see the light there. So mag-blink siya blue or green, but yeah, it's so little. You can just put in mo takubag pencil pen, and that should be fine. For this case also, kaning switch niya na sa sides. It's yellow though, but nasa side, so okay na siya. Arang-arang siya, but it's still annoying nga yellow siya. May tag-black. So yeah, I've tested it, and the audio quality is good. Susceptible lang siya sa wind kasi dako kaya ang microphone. Look at that. But na siya wind muff or dead cat, but it's just too big, so I'm not using it. I'm using it this way. Tago lang kayo sa bulsa or on sa. So yeah, if you're thinking of getting this, I really love it. But there's one thing I'm gonna warn you. Like a lot of YouTubers, kanang mga influencers, nga, it's so nice kay naa siya kanang noise reduction. Press it, and there's noise reduction. I hate the noise reduction. It's like robotic. It's weird. It's a pluck, pluck, pluck. It's not natural. So if it's noisy, I'd rather have it noisy rather than have it like processed na murag weird kay siya ba kanang na siya murag, I don't know, robotic ka murag tungod sa noise cancelling. You try sa software nga cancel ang mga noise around and ma-affected yung voice because they just get the frequencies and affected some parts of your frequency of your voice. So yeah, mga influencers yung it's so nice, can I noise reduction? Fuck noise reduction, don't use it. It's bullshit. It's not really bullshit, but yeah, it's so bad. Might as well do manual noise. Maski kay mag-manual kog noise reduction, di ko ganahan. I'd rather have it just full-bodied, my real voice, rather than noise reduction. But yeah, that could change in the future once makabaw na ko gamit sa noise reduction. But as of now, noise reduction, shit. Anyway, muna na siya bye. I'm just gonna test it for the next few days, and I'll get update. But as of now, I'm so happy. Audio quality is really good, and yeah, I'm gonna give you a teaser. Also, I just got this and I'm gonna make a review or something if you have any questions. This is the Ulanzi film mog, like film fog. So yeah, pwede ka makabuhat og haze ba? Ano, like, let's see. Ito tingnan. Okay. Ano ba? Lighter kayo na. But yeah, I'll test this, and I won't be able to do any videos around it as of the moment because I don't have time to test it. So yeah, see you next time, guys. Oh yeah, questions there about this. If you read this video before I releasing about this Ulanzi thing, you can put comments below, questions regarding it and anything. I'll try to answer if I can. So yeah.